Welcome! Another chance to improve your English today. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Cristiano Ronaldo, the story of a football legend. Childhood and early life. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985, on Madeira Island, Portugal. His full name is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. He was the youngest of 4 children. His father worked as a gardener and his mother was a cook. His family was not rich, and life was hard when he was young. Cristiano loved football since he was a little boy. He started playing at the age of 3. He always played football in the streets with his friends. When he was 8 years old, he joined a local football team called Madeira. His talent was clear even when he was very young. Teenager life. At age 12, Cristiano left home and moved to Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal, to join Sporting CP, a big football club. It was very difficult for him because he was far from his family and he cried many nights, but he worked very hard and never gave up. At age 15, doctors found that he had a heart problem, but he had surgery and just a few days later he started playing football again. This shows how strong and brave he is. Becoming a star. At age 16, he played with the main sporting team. His speed, skills, and goals caught the eye of many people. In 2003, when he was 18, he joined Manchester United in England. The coach, Sir Alex Ferguson, believed in him. In Manchester United, Cristiano became very famous. He helped the team win many trophies, including the Premier League and the Champions League. In 2009, he moved to Real Madrid for a world record fee at that time. Real Madrid and more success. Cristiano Ronaldo became a global star in Real Madrid. He played there for 9 years. He scored more than 450 goals for the club and helped them win 4 Champions League titles. He broke many records and won many awards, including the Ballon d'Or, best player in the world, several times. After Real Madrid, he played for Juventus in Italy, then returned to Manchester United, and later moved to a club in Saudi Arabia called Al Nassr. Playing for Portugal. Cristiano also plays for the Portugal national team. He has scored more international goals than any other male player in history. In 2016, he helped Portugal win the European Championship. In 2019, they also won the Nations League. Hard work and fitness. Cristiano is known for his strong body and amazing fitness. He trains every day, eats healthy food, and does not drink alcohol. He sleeps early and takes care of his health like a true professional. Awards and records. 5 Ballon d'Or awards. Over 800 career goals. The most goals in Champions League history. Most international goals by a male player. Many league titles in England, Spain, and Italy. Wealth and businesses. Cristiano is also a businessman. He has his own brand called CR7. It includes clothes, shoes, perfumes, and hotels. He is one of the richest athletes in the world with more than $1 billion in earnings. Personal life. Cristiano has several children. He is very close to his family. His mother and children are very important in his life. He often shares pictures of them on social media. He is also known for helping people and giving money to charity. Fun and interesting facts. His favorite number is 7, and that's why people call him CR7. He does over 3,000 sit-ups every day. He was the first person to reach 500 million followers on Instagram. He never had tattoos because he often donates blood. He bought an island for his birthday once. He jumps higher than many basketball players. Conclusion. Cristiano Ronaldo is not just a football player. He is a symbol of hard work, dedication, and success. From a poor boy on a small island to one of the most famous athletes in the world, his story is full of dreams and achievements. He shows us that with passion and effort, anything is possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.